Hello guys. So this is the work done today. The copper pipes have been placed inside the walls. Somehow, let's say, near where they should fit. This will be a place suitable for the soap, the shampoo, and everything else. Here, the water intake for the washing machine, the toilet reservoir, and of course this will go up for the walk-in shower. So as you can see, all the copper pipes that are inside the plaster, the wall, are isolated, are covered in that foam, so it will not result in a humidity or condensation inside the wall. And also really nice, that hole has been covered up. It was right here. But it's coming together really nice. Here the dimensions I went for are 60 centimeters by 30 in height, and about 15 centimeters inside in depth. Basically there will fit exactly two mosaic tiles, one near another, and it's really perfect done. Any shampoo will stay there, and it also has a nice angle. The water will flow downwards. Here all these old pipes will disappear as well, and everything will be done professionally, not like this. All that pipe maze. And basically everything will go away. Only a minimum of 18 millimeter in diameter copper pipes will be installed everywhere. This also will soon go. These are the old 15 millimeters pipes. But they look, let's say, okay. But still, I don't want to have any more issues with the lime scale. This is how it looks here. I think Also on that area more plaster has been added. And on that part there. And also I don't know if he replaced it or not, only the aluminium exhaust of the combi boiler, so that fitting, that pipe in the inside, I think it was replaced or will be replaced with the new one of my current combi boiler. The let's say unprofessional workers that installed my current combi boiler left the old exhaust pipe that I have there since 2006. But from what I understood, it's really no issue regarding the outer pipe. The interior one also doesn't make such a big difference. It's for the classic combi boilers, it's really no big thing. But at least it's nice to know that it will have a new component there also. And also this worker told me that he will install back the combi boiler and will be very careful with the gaskets, with all the O-rings, or with basically the gaskets, and it won't take fake air or something like that. It won't misfire like it used to do. So I think I'm on the right track, but of course there is a long way to go. But things are advancing really fast, and today I also received the floor tiles. So they're really nice. They're not quite so beige, so yellowish that I thought they would be, but even so, they will give an awesome look and a modern look to the bathroom and to the lobby, especially due to their large size. So and the color will I think will fit a lot better the bathroom mosaic, in which I have really great expectations for it, and hopefully it will live up to my high expectations regarding this. The floor tiles are here. And this is how they look. I wrapped them like this because I have a couple of deranged tomcats here that piss on everything, even there and there, and basically everywhere, and I didn't want them to moisture my tiles in that way, so that's why I wrap them like this. But this would be the color. This would they would look like this. It says Atlantic cream, so we'll see how it will look. But it's really no big deal. I must admit, I would have wanted them to be just a slight, let's say, yellowish to resemble the beach sand, but it's really okay. I will have like warm light appliances in my house, and that will make up for it. So this is about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best. In case you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section below. I wish you all the best, and take care wherever you are. Bye bye.